Stuttgart main train station. Hello, non-conventional designers. Welcome to our inaugural episode of Non-Conventional Design News. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the mesmerizing Stuttgart main train station, crafted by the visionary minds at Eindhoven Architects. Prepare to be captivated by its innovative design process. From the ethereal concept of soap bubble form finding to the intricate parametric construction problem solving that birthed its awe-inspiring shell-like columns and glass mesh skylight. As we delve into the depths of Stuttgart main train station, we are greeted by a symphony of architectural marvels. Behold the shell-like columns, a testament to the artistry of soap film form finding. These minimal surfaces, sculpted by nature's own hand, serve not only as structural elements but as canvases for a mesmerizing play of light and shadow. The smooth gradients of their inner surfaces dance with creative brilliance, leaving spectators spellbound. But what makes Stuttgart main train station truly exceptional is its place within the rich tapestry of German architectural heritage. For centuries, German train stations have served as laboratories for experimentation with non-conventional design, tracing their roots back to the 1800s with the pioneering work on vault shapes. Cities like Dresden and Leipzig stand as testaments to this enduring tradition, showcasing a plethora of innovative examples. Yet, it was in the aftermath of World War II that the school of lightweight structures emerged, guided by the visionary architect and structural artist Fry Otto. This revolutionary concept centered on form-finding techniques rooted in natural systems, such as minimal surfaces and flexible materials. Otto's legacy lives on, inspiring a new generation of designers to explore the delicate balance between form and function. At the heart of this exploration lies the concept of form finding, a process akin to sculpting with light and matter. Imagine stretching a thin film of soap over a delicate frame, allowing it to settle into equilibrium, revealing the inherent beauty of minimal surfaces. This technique, once reserved for membrane structures, finds new life in the creation of supporting shells, harnessing the power of curvature to seamlessly distribute forces. But why rely on minimal surfaces for structural support? The answer lies in their remarkable ability to transfer moments with unparalleled efficiency. By damping kinetic energy through subtle changes in curvature, these surfaces become conduits for stability, yielding elegant and efficient structural forms. It's a delicate dance between form and function, where every curve tells a story of ingenuity and innovation. And so, dear viewers, we bid adieu to the captivating Stuttgart main train station, a testament to the boundless possibilities of non-conventional design. As you embark on your own creative journeys, may you draw inspiration from its fluid forms and timeless elegance. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep designing, and remember, the future